How to use an extension set on a low-profile balloon tube. You will need your tube's extension set. Step 1. Open the plastic cover on the feeding tube. Step 2. Make sure the clamp on the extension set is closed. Step 3. Match the line on the extension set to the line on the tube and push the extension set into the valve. Step 4. Holding the tube in place, turn the extension set clockwise until you feel it lock into place. There is an arrow on the extension set to show you which direction to turn it. Step 5. Attach feeds, fluids, or medications. Step 6. Open the clamp on the extension set before pushing anything through the tube. If your child has a combination GGJ tube, you will need 2 extension sets, one for the gastric, G port, and one for the jejunal, J port. Each port will be clearly labeled directly on the feeding tube. Removing the extension set from the tube. Step 1. Close the clamp on the extension set. Step 2. Holding the tube in place, turn the extension set counterclockwise until the lines on the tube and extension set match. Step 3. Remove the extension set from the feeding tube. Step 4. Close the plastic cover on the feeding tube.